Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss about a jump. Okay, a character's jump. Okay, so first of all, while doing a shot, we have to concentrating in the main pose or extreme poses, right? So we will be concentrating on the extreme poses. So the I will be deleting any keyframes over here. There are some keyframes. I will be deleting all the keyframes. Okay, then I have to make the poses, the strong poses for the jump. For that I am clicking this controller and dragging like this. If I had any controllers on the rotation, foot roll and all, I have to make it 0. Okay, and make sure that it's for on the both legs it should be 0. Okay, now about posing. So while going through the posing, it's very important that you have to be concentrated in the exactly the what about the grid area that I have already told you, right? The grid part should be 100% on the contact area, should be 100% achieved. Okay, no penetration or nothing should be there. Then the first pose, the leg should be like little bit like this, and you have to rotate little bit like this. Okay, if I had certain controllers for that, so I will be checking whether I have some control. Yeah, if you want, you can use this, otherwise don't do it. Just make the rotation so that it will be okay. Then I will be concentrating in the pole vector. Make sure that the pole vector is also fine. Okay, now click this one and drag this. Make sure that it's on the little bit right, and this should be also bit right. Okay, fine. Don't look at the hands right now. Hands, we are not doing anything for the hand. I'll be concentrating only on the legs as well as the hip. Okay, no animation is doing in which area? Hand area, upper area. Okay, now we will be making a pose, a simple pose, but I am not animating it at all. Okay, now I will be adding an auto keyframe right here and the first pose. So on the first pose, well, we will be animating the pose for the hands also. No, not an issue. I will be just making like this, making the hand like this. We are working 100% only at the hip as well as the leg. Okay, we are just making a pose for only for the hands. Okay, right now. Okay, the first pose is just make like this, make like this, click here and make like this. Fine, so it is fine. So now is ready for the jump. So if any rotation or something is there, make sure that it should be 0. Okay, this area also make sure that it is on the right place. Okay, and this part also make sure that it is on the right position. Okay, so this is our first pose. Fine, this is our first pose, and this hand should be also little bit like this. Okay, so we are going to start our first pose. So on the first pose, I don't want this much stretch. It's on the normal position. Okay, like this, on the normal position. Okay, after that is making an anticipation. So I'll be selecting the whole controllers, avoiding this one, press shift. Okay, I'm selecting the whole thing, press shift. I don't want this one, press S for the complete keyframe. Okay, then we'll go for an anticipation as we have done in the bouncing ball. Down should be a little bit down. Okay, I'll be doing the hand controller animation, means the hand animation also, otherwise it should be at last we are doing, sometimes it won't be proper. So I am doing completely over here only. Okay, just like this, just okay, and the finger rotation is there, right? Fingers rotation and all. So I am avoiding that. We will be doing later only. Only the hand animation is doing now. Okay, so this is the second pose. I am selecting the whole control press S, avoiding this press S. So now we can see both animations. So you can see some movement is there, right? So I will be deleting this, completely select this and remove that one. So you can see the two movements right here. Okay, okay, the two movements. So the pose, if you want, you can edit the pose later. So I'm not doing anything, selecting this and press shift and make a moving hold for that 20. Fine, 20, and is coming here and dragging it down and dragging it down, dragging it little bit down. Okay, now I'm checking. Sorry, what I am happen is that I have done on this frame. So don't do like this. Our copied frame is there, right? What I have copied, only do the later animation on that frame only. So I am selecting this, just drag down and make this controller little bit up, and I am checking what is happening. Sorry, the same error happens once more. So select this and make him down. So make sure that, okay, on this area only we are animating little bit down. So now it's okay. Yeah, now the moving hold is working, right? Okay, now I will be selecting this one and make little bit up. No, it's not working, so I will be making little bit down. No, I will make it up. Okay, so whatever I am doing, make sure that I am doing it properly. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Now select this and just drag on backward and select this and also adjust this one. Okay, okay, if I want, I can animate this also. So it will be a little bit what a confusion. That's why I'm not touching this one. Okay, we'll be animating it later. Okay, so these are the two poses, right? These are the two poses. Okay, then 20 to 24 frame or 23rd frame, he's jumping little bit up. So stretching from here. Okay, he's trying for the jump. Okay, don't make out of balance, just like this, and selecting the hand, little bit like this, and this area also little bit stretch like this. So this is a trial and error thing. If this is not working, I have to change the pose. Okay, if I have no poses with me, okay, until I didn't have any reference, I have to do by manually, right? That's why. Okay, okay, so make down, little bit down. Okay, this area also little bit down. Yes, select this a little bit like this and little bit front. Okay, so I'll be checking this. Okay, the poses all working. Now the height may be changed. So this is on the last. Now he's jumping little bit harder. 23 to 25. I will make a more stretch pose on this area. Okay, and so if I don't, this pose is not working, no problem, we will be deleting this one if it is not working. And the hand should be little bit up like this, and this area also little bit up. Okay, I'm giving some arc for that. On this part also I'll be giving little bit arc for that. Okay, so I will be checking that pose. Yeah, it's working, right? Okay, then I will be moving to up the top area. So I will be selecting this control, selecting this, shift select this, select the pole vectors, select both hand and just animate it. No, remove this one. The selection should be proper, right? Otherwise it won't be. Select this one, select this and check. Yeah, it's working. Now this one, shift select this one and try to make up. Yeah, now it's working. So selecting this, okay, just drag, yeah, a little bit here, and select the pole vectors also. Shift select this and just drag. Just drag on front, so it should be okay. Now select these pole vectors and select this pole vector right here. Okay, and what I am losing is that the leg part, so it is not on fixing on that position. Don't worry. So select this, press shift and drag it. Okay, this one, and okay, I will be making little bit front on the front right here. Delete this one. Okay, so that's not a problem. We will make that in between properly. Okay, and this also I should make somewhat like this. Yes. Okay, we will be fixing that, no problem. So while he's coming up, just click here and move this one little bit up and make a rotation, little bit rotation, little bit up like this. Okay, okay, now the position should be changed. Okay, this area, so we are not concentrating on the timing yet, we are concentrating only on the posing. So I'll make a rotation. If I don't want a particular pose, I'll be deleting that, that's all. So for roughly we have to give that pose and check whether the poses are working or not. So select this, drag, select this, drag this area. Okay, so this is the problem, so I'll be fixing it. So yeah, 2 minute stretch, so I'll be making like this, and this area also I have to make the pose little bit down and just little bit up. Okay, now it's coming like this. Yeah, only the which area is animating, only the leg part is animating, right? So I have to make sure that it is moving just front part. So I am selecting this, selecting the hand as well, and just move little bit front. Okay, the pole vector is stuck there, so select the pole vector also. Just select this to control, this to control, hands as well, select this and just drag like this. Okay, now it's been working. So I will delete this one, so unnecessary key, just delete it. Okay, it's gone, so I have to fix it. Okay, all the things we have to adjust while animating. Okay, just drag. So animation is some time consuming thing. Okay, so select this. Okay, now about the height. So selecting this, is dragging, it's coming like this. Okay, this area it's okay, this area and is coming down, right? So making down, yes, down. So I'll be making some some area for the, and check whether he's coming on the direction should be same. Okay, so yes, so I'll be making him little bit front portion. So select this, select this, select this, select this, and little bit front. Okay, this I am concentrating only in the spacing area, so the space should be little bit, not on the timing it. Okay, just drag as same as the bouncing ball that we have done, right? So I'll be just selecting this. So we are losing something. Yes, absolutely we are losing something. Yeah, the spacing thing. Now it's been working. Yes, I make him little bit down also, down on this area. Drag. Okay, now we'll be just playing it. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, and now I'll be on the settling area. I'll be concentrating more. So select this, and press yes. And while he's fixing, and he's coming down, down, down. Okay, the hand should be absolutely down. Make sure that it won't penetrate, because this is the pose that we are going to fixing to the ground. Down. Okay, then this leg also just down, press down. Okay, so now I'll be just playing it. Okay, so I have to make more stretch here, like this and like this. So you can see the pole vector problem right here. So make sure that your pole vector is on the front area. Okay, then this pole vector also should be on the front area. Select this, just drag. Okay, just drag like this. Okay, so I'm selecting this and little bit front. So I'll be checking the pose, right? From here down, stretching, yes, little bit more up. Okay, we have to show this stretch also. I'll be making this one little bit back and try to make a stretch like this. Okay, see whether it is working or not. Okay, we have more things to work on this area. That's not an issue. And now he's coming like this and down, and this rotation should be more down. And down. This should be also down. The pole vector, if you had any problem in the pole vector, you have to fix it. Select this and fix on this area also. While coming down should be little bit like this on the V shape. Okay, down. Now I will be checking the play. Just play once. Yeah, feeling like it's flying. It's not a problem. We are not concentrating in, we didn't concentrate anything in timing and all. So okay, then we'll be checking for the play blast also. Let me see what's happening in the play blast. view animation 50 to 1500, no, 100 only. Default shading, yes, high quality image, 24 frames per second, create. Okay, let me check it. It's working, right? Yeah, it's working, but it's working, the process are working, but now I have to fix it, that's all. Okay, don't concentrate while on the hand position. Fine. Okay, then I'll be saving this file. Okay, Control S. Okay, then what I am concentrating is that now I will be concentrating on the squash and stretch. So down and down, then he is coming up. Okay, it's coming down, up, and then he's settling. Or else I will be if you want, you can do like this also, is down. Okay, then I have to make him little bit like this, more like this. Okay, means that down. Okay, I will be deleting this also, that up thing also I have been deleted. So it's coming down, reaching down. So press yes, then move back, move front, and just move like this. Where it's coming on that position is moving, so delete this one. I will be dragging this to little bit front. So we can do a realistic movement. Okay, down, some realistic movement for that. This area also little bit front. Okay, so little bit on this area. So we have to make it little bit realistic, that's why we are doing like this. If you want, okay, delete this. Okay, it's not like this, I have to make like this, little bit up. So now you can see this down and is coming up like this. You understand, right? So don't, not that much, do only little bit. As well, the second pose should be also should be like that. So down and up, after that up, then he's on like this, and he's stretching and little bit like this only, moving like this. Okay, the pole vector and all I have to adjust. So select this, this is the pole vector, no, this only. Okay, I'll be checking the pole vector. Yeah, like it's over here. So select this, make a keyframe here and just drag on front. Okay, so I have to make it smooth, right? It's not at all working, I have to make it smooth. Okay, so select this and I have to adjust the pole vector also. Just drag, delete this. Okay, now what is stuck is that this hip area is not some problem is there on the hip. No problem, we will go to graph, that's all, graph curve editor. So I have any serious issue in that area, I will be checking that. So yeah, on this area I have some issue, so I select it and delete it, select it and delete it, select it, delete it. Oh, it's all gone. So come this area, only delete this one, and I am selecting this and dragging this. Yeah, now it's fine, right? Okay, now selecting this, make sure that it is little bit coming on the little bit stretch for this also, and the pole vector should be also little bit like this. Select this. I have many more work to do in this shot. Okay, this is not at all an easy shot. I have to work more, then only I will get a 100% good result. So this, now it's, yeah, like this. Yes, yes. Now this is the timing change. So select this and make sure that this timing is been changing very quickly down. Okay, the timing should be very fast, otherwise it won't work. So down, down, down. Make sure that it's 100% down. Okay, so I will be selecting this and scale little bit for the contact area also. Okay, now you can see it is penetrating, right? So select this and just make little bit more up. Okay, now I will be making a play. Now it's working, but some problems are there. We will be fixing it. Look, what is happening is that it's coming down this area while he's reaching, right? This is also working as, so no need of that. So I'll be dragging those while he's moving. After that only this animation should be working. So down, up, no need of doing. So I'll be selecting and holding for that keyframe, then only he's working. Yeah, and this one little bit front position. Yes, not like this, little bit front. Only concentrating in the leg, right? Don't concentrate on the hip. We are only concentrating on the leg part. Yeah, so I have to make little bit rotation for the leg also, like this, and is settling. Once you are animating on one control, only concentrating in that control only. So usually we had a problem is that while we animating, this also have a keyframe, so I'll be deleting this. Okay, we had animators had, and usually while we are studying you have a problem while animating is that we will be concentrating on every keyframes, while I should concentrate only in that area. Hip, whatever area they go on, it's not a big issue. We'll be solving it very quickly. So I'll be concentrating only on this area. Okay, and that, then it's coming like this. Okay, this area I'll be giving one keyframe, and I will be angle adjusting, and this one, and I will be adjusting on this angle rotate. Okay, little bit down as walk cycle. Okay, while it's coming down, it should make it 0 like this. Should be front in this area. Okay, no problem, it's fixed, but the hip is the problem, right? So select this hip, go to graph, go to Z axis, select this. Rotation is not rotation, it's Z. Yeah, this position I will be selecting this and deleting this. Okay, now I'll be selecting the keyframe and just make like this. Okay, now I'll be selecting. Okay, the pole vector is all disturbed, so select the pole vector. I think it's inside the shirt, so select this and make sure that it's 100% on the front. So I'll be selecting this. Yeah, delete this on the front, down, okay, this is dragging, so select this, so drag it. It's not a problem. Drag. So some sliding is there, we will be fixing it, no problem. You understand, right? So this much time it needed for that. This it is very very time consuming thing. While I am doing some extra poses, it will take time. Just jumping and all, it should be we will finishing within 2 poses. Okay, now is not at all sliding, he's jumping. We will fix it. You understand? While you are doing animation, just make sure that the main constraint poses all are fixed. Then only we will be fixing. After that only we will be fixing. Now this thing is okay, we will be fine tuning it. It's not a problem. Okay, so selecting this and I will be fine tuning this. Is not at all sliding. It is not sliding. It's not at all sliding. Is jumping. So it's just just drag and it will be working. After adding, look, then it should be registered over here only. So no need of last pose. I'll be selecting this and removing this. You understand, right? Look, now it's working. Look, the pole vector that we have to fix. Okay, that we have to fix by manually. But overall, look at the overall thing. Now I think you have understood something, right? Why? Because if you are concentrating while we are doing this one, okay, I will be concentrating on the hip part, a pole vector is gone, right? So in next class we are fine tuning this animation and making more perfect.